How to use Meitu Premium features. First of all, open the app on your device and tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then look for the VIP or Premium section at the top. Here you can subscribe to Meitu Premium to access exclusive features like advanced beauty effect, premium filter, animated stickers, high-quality templates, and ad-free editing. Once subscribed, these features becomes available directly within the app, enhancing your editing experience. To use premium feature, open a photo or video and explore options marked with a crown or premium label. Apply advanced filter, adjust beauty effect with more precision, and use premium templates to create stunning edit. Now you know how to use Meitu Premium feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.